Hi folks, Rich here, back again already with this little fella. This little fella. That's so weird, holding a really lightweight guitar. Fender Malibu. Now, lots of people are asking questions, that's great, thank you. It is bigger than a Harley guitar. It's a fair bit bigger than a Harley guitar, but it is still small. It's got more sound, less boxy sounding than a parlor, so that's a benefit. This is the thickness of the body. It's thinner than a regular acoustic, and I haven't got another one with me, but to give you an idea on thickness versus an electric. So this is my Chappy Chapman, which is like 44mm or whatever. So, you know, it's what, probably 2.5 times as thick as your electric. It is a small, slim kind of bodied electric. Someone also asked about the neck. It's got small hands like me. That is a nice looking neck. Let's just put this back up, shall we? Different colours, a bit harder to tell, but as you can maybe make out a bit there, it really does feel like an electric guitar neck. Apart from the radius obviously being much, much flatter, it feels like an electric guitar neck. It's nice and slim. And actually, even though it's flat, it's not particularly big this way, look. Small hands me, can I play a chord with my thumb over the top? I think I can. No buzzing. So as you can hear, I've got it plugged in, wireless of course, and here on top are your controls. You've got a bass and a treble and a volume. So let's have a, what's it like around the neck? It's a bit, because the strap button here, I mean, it's a bit behind the 12th fret, so it's not too divey. It's about somewhere in the middle. This is a shiny strap, a bit like a seatbelt type strap. Straps. Steve Cassidy. Let's talk about straps, baby. So, bass all the way off. Bass all the way up. Difference on how you can make it sound with the bass and the treble. Treble all the way up. Treble all the way off. So really good tone possibilities there. I've got them both in the middle, which actually that's a lie. I've got the bass up just a touch. Nut, by the way, try to check the spec on. Volume on the guitar pretty high, so let's turn that down to about half. As you'll know if you're watching my videos recently, I'm now using a Harley Benton Tube 15. turn it up a bit and that gets crunchy because the gain is actually on number 1. It's on 1 watt, number 1. The volume's on about 2.5. Should we put a boost pedal on? Oh, get that way. Put the volume back to where a little bit. Reverb on. Up pedal boards all over here. Take that off. Probably don't need a distortion pedal, do we? Reverb on a little bit. The volume back up on the guitar. Put your head, sorry. Then we'll unplug him. So, as you know, I'm not an acoustic man. In fact, I'm not an anything man. I'm terrible at guitar, but I'm loving this. This is inspiring me to just pick it up, play, and learn some